Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel like I can tell you anything? All the secrets that keep